Hi, my name's Elizabeth Ciordia. My future goal for my career is to become a registered nurse. I've been in healthcare for 14 years as an LVN, and now I'm at the very end of taking my prerequisites to become an RN. This class will be very helpful and useful for an RN career because it'll prepare me to know all the parts of the body and its functions in order to give optimal care to my patients. The human body is very complex and there's a lot of moving parts. So it's important to see how every part has a role that's unique to that part and how they all work together to be able to maintain, like, body functions and human life. This knowledge will also help me so I can be able to assess and evaluate my patients, also help with treatment and care. Healthcare is very complex as well, so I'm excited to see and learn more of how the body functions, starting from something so small like an atom, and then working our way, to bigger things like the heart or the brain. I think there is a relationship between 1 Corinthians 12:22 and the levels of body organization. In the verse, he is basically saying that even the smallest parts are important and necessary. I believe that this is true because we don't always notice how vital and important those little things are. For example, like the chemical or cellular levels, such as atoms or molecules. Like, they don't get much attention, but the major organs such as the heart are recognized. We know that we need a heart to sustain life, but cells are also vital and have functions of their own that help the body. For example, it helps acquire nutrients for our body. Cells help rid our bodies of waste. The tissue level is also vital because it helps connect and support our bodies, like the connective tissue and muscular tissue, etc. They all have their own role and work together, and each one is equally important. I know we learned about the different levels, which is like chemical, cellular, tissue level, organ system level, and then the organismal level. Some seem like they're smaller, like I mentioned earlier, like the atoms that form the molecules, and then molecules combine and form organelles. And then the cells work together to create tissues. So everything's as equally important, because if we didn't have cells, how would we have a bunch of cells making connective tissue? And they're just as important as the organs, the organ level or organ system level. Everything just works together and helps each other out to maintain human life. Thank you.